Good morning, YouTube. If you ever wondering what Repairco does, plants to pumps and everything in between, concrete equipment repair. So this morning, on a beautiful Sunday morning, the project on this here old concrete pump, we're not gonna look at any of that right there. We're moving past that. What we're here for this little guy right there. We got a hole in the wear plate and the cutting ring, and we're going to replace them this morning. This is on a little Putzmeister line pump, and yeah, we got to get this back apart back here, slide this little guy back, and then we'll get this thing replaced. Be right back.